Breaking news, Cardano just went crazy and some new huge news has come out about Cardano. If you have any interest in Cardano or if you hold any ADA tokens, you need to hear this. What is the latest Cardano news and how will it affect the value of ADA? In this video, I will be answering these questions and sharing with you the new price-boosting information that has just come out about Cardano. There is still a high possibility that you could become a millionaire from ADA. I have put a lot of research into this video, so make sure you wait until the end and don't miss out on any price-boosting information. Welcome to the Cryptoopy channel, where we cover everything related to Cardano. If you are interested in ADA and want to stay updated, this is the place for you. If you want to stay ahead of the game in the exciting and ever-changing world of cryptocurrency, be sure to subscribe to our channel. By hitting the like button, you will also help us to bring you the latest news, predictions, and analysis in the crypto space. Don't miss out on any important updates, join our community and stay informed. Cardano is a third-generation blockchain platform founded in 2015 by Charles Hoskinson, one of the co-founders of Ethereum, and it's powered by its native cryptocurrency ADA. After launching its testnet in 2017, the platform went through several iterations before the release of its mainnet. It has since undergone major upgrades, including the Shelly hard fork in 2020 and the Alonzo hard fork in 2021. Cardano aims to provide a more secure and sustainable infrastructure for decentralized applications and smart contracts. How Cardano can be applied to enterprise use cases in various industries. 1. Education. Cardano can be used in the education industry to digitize and secure academic records and credentials, as well as to provide access to educational resources and services. For example, the government of Ethiopia has partnered with Cardano to digitize the country's education system and provide blockchain-based identity systems for its citizens. 2. Retail. Cardano can be used in the retail industry to streamline supply chain management and improve traceability and transparency. For example, Cardano-based solutions can be used to track products from origin to sale, enabling consumers to make more informed purchasing decisions and reducing the risk of fraud and counterfeit goods. 3. Agriculture. Cardano can be used in the agriculture industry to improve supply chain efficiency and traceability, as well as to provide better access to financial services for smallholder farmers. For example, Cardano-based solutions can be used to create transparent and efficient markets for agricultural products, enabling farmers to receive fair prices for their goods and reducing the risk of fraud and market manipulation. For government, Cardano can be used in the government industry to improve transparency and accountability, as well as to provide secure and efficient identity management systems. For example, Cardano-based solutions can be used to create secure and decentralized voting systems, enabling citizens to participate in elections without the risk of fraud or manipulation. 5. Finance. Cardano can be used in the finance industry to improve the efficiency and security of payment systems, as well as to provide access to financial services for underserved populations. For example, Cardano-based solutions can be used to create peer-to-peer lending platforms, enabling individuals and small businesses to access credit at lower rates than traditional financial institutions. 6. Healthcare. Cardano can be used in the healthcare industry to improve the security and privacy of medical records, as well as to enable secure and efficient data sharing between healthcare providers. For example, Cardano-based solutions can be used to create decentralized electronic health record systems, enabling patients to control their own medical data and share it with healthcare providers as needed. Fundamental analysis. One of the key features of Cardano is its focus on scientific research and peer review. The platform's development is driven by a team of experts in various fields, including cryptography, computer science, and economics. This approach has resulted in a more rigorous and academic approach to blockchain technology, which has been well received by the community. Cardano also uses a proof-of-stake consensus algorithm, which is considered to be more energy efficient and environmentally friendly than the proof-of-work algorithm used by Bitcoin and Ethereum. This has made Cardano a more sustainable platform, which is an important consideration for investors and users alike. There are problems Cardano can solve. Cardano is designed to address a number of key challenges and limitations faced by existing blockchain platforms, including 1. Scalability. One of the biggest challenges facing blockchain platforms today is scalability. Many blockchain platforms struggle to handle a high volume of transactions, which can lead to slow transaction times, high fees, and other issues. Cardano is designed to be highly scalable, with a layered architecture that separates the settlement layer, which handles transactions, from the computation layer, which allows for smart contracts and decentralized applications. This architecture allows Cardano to handle a much higher volume of transactions than some other platforms. 2. Interoperability. Another challenge facing blockchain platforms is interoperability. Many blockchains are isolated from one another, which can limit their usefulness in certain applications. Cardano is designed to be interoperable with other blockchain platforms, which allows it to support a wider range of use cases and applications. 3. Sustainability. Many blockchain platforms rely on energy-intensive proof-of-work consensus algorithms, which can be environmentally damaging and expensive to maintain. Cardano uses a more energy-efficient proof-of-stake consensus algorithm, which is designed to be more sustainable and cost-effective. For security, security is a critical concern for blockchain platforms, as any vulnerabilities can be exploited by attackers. Cardano has been designed with a strong emphasis on security, using formal verification methods to ensure that the platform's code is correct and free from vulnerabilities. 5. Accessibility. Cardano aims to be accessible to a wide range of users and developers, including those who may not have a technical background. The platform includes a user-friendly interface and a range of development tools and resources to make it easier for people to build decentralized applications on the platform. How is Cardano different from Ethereum? 1. Consensus algorithm. Ethereum uses proof-of-work while Cardano uses proof-of-stake. 2. Scalability. Cardano uses a layered architecture for scalability, while Ethereum is working on improving its scalability. 3. Governance. Cardano has a more formal approach to governance with a voting system, while Ethereum has a more decentralized approach. 4. Programming languages. Ethereum supports Solidity, while Cardano supports multiple programming languages. 5. Roadmap. Ethereum has an established ecosystem, while Cardano is newer with a strong focus on academic research and scientific philosophy. Technical analysis. Cardano ADA is a cryptocurrency that was first listed on exchanges in October 2017. It initially saw significant growth, reaching an all-time high of $1.33 in January 2018, before declining along with the broader cryptocurrency market. However, in late 2020 and early 2021, the price of ADA saw significant growth again, reaching an all-time high of $2.46 in May 2021, driven by increased investor interest, market hype, and positive news and developments related to the Cardano platform. Cardano has been on an upward trend since the beginning of 2021, with the price surging to an all-time high of $3.10 in September before experiencing some volatility. ADA is trading above its 50-day and 200-day moving averages, which is a bullish signal. The key support level for ADA is around $1.50, while the key resistance level is around $2.80. If ADA can break through this resistance level, it may continue to rise in the coming months. As of February 2023, the market cap of Cardano is approximately $68 billion, based on a price of around $2 per ADA and a circulating supply of around 34 billion ADA. The total supply and maximum supply of Cardano are both set at 45 billion ADA. Cardano has the potential to recover from its recent downtrend due to increasing accumulation by large wallet investors, including whales who have increased their holdings by 40% over the past year. Analysts believe that Cardano could see a 25% price rally and break out of its downtrend, as the rise in the number of whales indicates higher investor interest in the altcoin. Additionally, the growth of DeFi protocols has attracted more investors to Cardano, which has reflected in the network's expansion and increase in holdings. The increase in total value locked in the Cardano network from $1 million to an all-time high of $162 million over the past year is also indicative of higher demand for the altcoin. Price prediction. According to CoinCodex, short-term Cardano price analysis is neutral, with 24 bullish and 10 bearish signals. Various moving averages and technical indicators are giving mixed signals. However, algorithm-based forecasting services predict a bullish long-term future for Cardano, with price estimates $1.25 by April 2024, ranging from $3 to $6.39 by March 2027, and even up to $32.25 in 2031. It is important to keep in mind that these predictions are not a guarantee of future results and are based on past performance. Finally, Cardano is a promising blockchain platform with a strong focus on scientific research, sustainability, and adoption. Its recent upgrades, partnerships, and collaborations have demonstrated its potential to become a leading platform for dApps and smart contracts. From a technical perspective, ADA is currently in an uptrend, but investors should remain vigilant for any signs of a trend reversal.